So hi guys, this is me again, Corinne. Sorry for the background noise kasi wala tayong mic. And today, samahan niyo akong pumasok sa school for my last exam. And today, hindi naman ganong busy because mag-exam lang tayo sa school. And yeah. So, samahan niyo akong i-prepare yung bag ko kasi I haven't prepared my bag yet. But this is the bag I'm gonna be using. This is just a gift for me and also this charm. Ang nasa loob niya is yung inhaler ko and pink din siya. So, the things that are gonna be in my bag is may water bottle. So, lalagyan ko na lang siya mamaya ng ng water pagbaba ko. So, yeah. And of course, may payong, may umbrella that almost kasi laki lang ng face ko because, yeah. And my binder, my pink binder and this notebook because I have written my reviewers here. Wag ko na buksan because my handwriting is totally bad. So, I think bibili na lang ako ng bagong yellow pad because I'm out of yellow pad na. And of course, my perfume, I'm not gonna show it, pero ito siya. Because I'm gatekeeping it because it smells so good. And I don't want anyone to, wait lang, tawag ko na lolo ko. So, ayun, siguro magpapatulong yung lolo ko sa vlog. And the next one is, who's gonna be in my bag is my notepad that has my notes. And sorry for my bad handwriting. It's this. And this is my makeup kit. And gonna be putting inside my blush, my powder, compact siya na maliit pero inayos ko lang. My hairbrush, my blush on, my lippy, and my wipes because wipes is a must. Diba? And my ball pens. This is the cutest ball pen I have right now. And my power bank, and also pan. See, that's it's 100%, and you can see it because I'm gonna be having this with me, and of course my charger because why am I gonna forget my charger? Yeah, and makeup blush on brush, and hindi ko alam kung bakit ko ito dadalhin, but look at my lashes. I don't have my cluster lashes right now, but yeah, I don't mind bringing that. And my wallet, it's pink because I love pink. And that's all. And this is my bag. So pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna see you later. But first, I'm gonna have my fit check because I'm wearing my uniform right now and I have my patch on my uniform. Because last 2 weeks, I don't have patch because this is just a gift. This uniform, this is just a gift. So yeah, I'm gonna be checking you again later. Checking.
Anak siya ni Miar. Apo siya ni Juicy. Oh, apo siya ni Elsie.
Shakil paano? Hey ate. Good afternoon.
Ang ganda naman. Lagi na nagpagalit.
Nakakainis ka. How's the exam? Sakit sa ulo, tapos na thank you, Lord. Jenny, how's the exam? Jenny number 2? Ayoko na. Jenny ka! Pagod! So hi guys, as you can see, nakauwi na ako and haggard ako since gamit na gamit tong utak na to sa last subject namin, which is Intro to Linguistics. And yeah, hindi siya madali kasi sobrang detailed ng mga pinag-uusapan doon. And yeah, but after all, gusto ko pa rin naman mag-teacher since that is my passion. Yeah, ayun na naman nangyari sa sa araw ko, as you can see, there's nothing special sa araw ko. Talagang nag-take lang ako ng exam, kumain ng nachos at umuwi. Since may sampayan pa ako dito kasi naglaba ako kagabi. And this is my bag. Hindi ko na siya i-open, pero I'm so happy that ang laki nang nabawas ko sa water ko. Almost half. Stay hydrated. Bye!